Rolling?
Mm-hmm.
Rolling?
Rolling.
Rolling. Okay. So, we're here with my SR7 guys, and today's just play day. No GPSs, no nothing. Just TPU, 3D printed drift wheels, a gyro, and an empty parking lot. So, yeah, let me get this turned on. So it will be interesting, guys, to see how long these TPU sleeves last. They might only last 30 seconds. They are glued this time. You guys didn't see it, but we tried doing this once a couple months ago, and I didn't glue the sleeves before we went out. Okay. Let's just see how this does. Slippy. Well, there's the 30 seconds I was talking about. Look at that boy go! We're gonna have to go find that now. Well, let's go walk and find it. Hell, live fails. Okay, so I didn't put enough glue on there. How did I know 30 seconds would go by? Didn't I say it? The front, but this is all-wheel drive. Oh, looks like we about lost that other one too, maybe.
Same
other
side?
rear?
Yeah.
Is it, or is that just a scrape mark from the body or something? Yeah, it is. It's fine. It's still on there.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. I did glue them, didn't I? Oh yeah, there's the 4 spots I put on there that weren't enough. Okay, of course. Alright, we'll slip it on so we can drag it back to the car anyway. Right. Okay, we put it back to the truck. Oh, you get down low, we get some beauty shots with those purple wheels. They're pretty sweet. Yeah, you stand there.
Okay.
Easy on the trout, it doesn't come off there. They look cool, don't they? Oh, I gotta go get it again. Alright, I guess that's where we end it.